Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I quickly would like to talk about a new off-page SEO called article submission. So what is article submission? Now the very first thing we have to do is we have to write a unique article related to our business. And when it comes to me, my business is related to Click and Capture Studio, right? So once we have written a high quality article, we have to submit that article to the websites that accepts the article. And how are we going to find the article submission websites? It is going to be very easy. All we have to do is we have to navigate to Google and then we have to search for article submission sites, and then I want to click on enter. Now here we can see a lot of results where I want to click on the very first one, top 100 plus article submission sites list for 2024, and let me click on the very first website. It take me to the page and where I can find websites where I can submit the articles. I want to scroll down a little bit and here I can see articles.h1ad.com, bloggersroad.com, abpnews.tech, and there are so many article submission sites. The main important thing is we have to submit the articles just to get the high quality backlinks for our website. And whenever we submit the do follow article submission, it will increase the traffic, it will increase the domain authority, and it will increase the awareness of our brand, and that is the main motive. Now I want to quickly give you one of the example. I want to open a new tab and I know one of the website which is very good, which is Article Biz, and then let me click on enter. Now this is the website where we can directly submit an article without even signing up, which is a very good thing, right? Here we can see one of the option on the very top. I want to click on submit article. I can see an advertisement and I want to close the ad, and then here we do have a form which we need to fill up. The very first one, it is asking us to fill up the author name. So I want to enter my name, which is Dilsukhnagar Party, and then I want to enter my email ID. Maybe I want to give my business ID studioclickandcapture@gmail.com, and then here we have to give the article title and the category, and then whatever the content that we have written inside the article, we have to paste it right here. And always remember, each and every article submission website will have their own rules. Now here we can see, please do not include any of your website URLs in the article body, just in case if we mention the URL in the article body, this particular article will be rejected by this particular website. So we have to be very careful while submitting the articles. And what if we have the URLs inside the article content? Here it clearly stating that you can include them in the resource box below. So if we have any URLs that can act as the backlinks, we can paste those URLs in the resource box. And also it is giving us the limit, maximum only 2 URLs that we can post in this particular box. So quickly I want to enter the article title. And just to let you know, I have not written any of the articles, so I want to give you only an example. So I want to navigate to Click and Capture Studio and then I want to click on blog. Always remember that while you're submitting an article, you have to write a very fresh and unique article. And now I'm just giving you an example by taking the copy of an existing blog. Now I want to take South Indian bridal reception look, Click and Capture Studio, Hyderabad, and then I want to navigate to this particular website and I want to paste it right here. And then it is asking me to enter the category, and based upon your business, I want you to completely scroll down, have a look at the different categories and find the right one. And when it comes to me, maybe I want to choose an option inside the business which says sales and service. This might be the right fit for my business, and then I want to click on article body, and here we have to paste the content. Roughly I want to navigate back to the Click and Capture Studio, and then I want to take the copy of the content which I have written, maybe till here, and then I want to click on copy. I want to come back to the website and here I want to paste it. And just in case if I find any URLs in this particular content, I have to remove them. But for now I'm not doing anything, I'm just leaving the content as it is because I'm giving you only the example. And here in the resource box, we have to include the email and then we have to include the website address information. And if you want to include any short bio about ourselves, we can start typing in the resource box. And for now, I want to give only the email. I want to include Click and Capture Studio email, and then I want to enter the website of Click and Capture Studio. So let me navigate back to the Click and Capture Studio, and then I want to take the copy of the website. Coming back to the article submission site, I want to paste it in the resource box. And finally, we have to answer the challenge question, which is very difficult. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. I'm just joking. And then here we do have two options. One is to accept the terms and conditions, and the second one is notify me when a user comment is posted for this article, so that whenever someone reads our article and if they comment, we will get the notification to our email. And always remember, we are just writing the article on a third-party website, so the ownership goes to this website, but the credit of writing the article goes to us. It is so simple. And then let me click on continue. Now here is the place where we can review the article before clicking on the submit button, and it clearly stating that your article will appear exactly as it's shown below once it's approved. So we have to scroll down, and then we have to have a look. Make sure that we should follow some of the key points while writing an article. And this article may not look good because I have directly posted from the blog which I have written for some other purpose. So I'll give you some of the tips on how you can write a perfect article. So the very first thing is, our article should be unique, which means we should not copy from the online sources. And then make sure that we are including the keywords in SEO perspective. We should not stuff the keywords. That is the second thing. And then always remember, we have to strictly follow the guidelines given by article submission site. Some of the article submission site will tell us write only the article in between 1500 words and maybe 4000 or 5000 words. We have to follow that, and it is so simple to find the guidelines. First, we have to enter into the website, and maybe in the below or bottom we can find the guidelines. We have to just read the guidelines. It is very simple. And also we have to write short paragraphs, we have to use the subheadings, and we have to use some bullet points so that the people who reads the article will feel good and interesting while they are reading. And also make sure the title which we are using for this article should be unique, and it must have the main keywords so that the Google crawler can easily identify and it will index it. And once we followed everything, we have to click on submit for review, and as soon as they review and if they really like the content or the article which we have submitted, they will approve it and we will get the email accordingly. I hope you clearly understand what do I mean by article submission in the off-page SEO technique, and clearly I will give you the benefits and then I will close this video. So the very first thing, by doing the article submission, we are bringing the traffic to our website. We are improving the website ranking in all the search engine results page, and then it will increase the website visibility, right? And finally, it will increase the website metrics like domain authority, page authority, and domain rating. And finally, it will build the brand awareness because we keep on submitting n number of articles in different high quality third-party sites. I hope you clearly understand what is article submission and off-page SEO technique. And if you have any questions related to this particular topic, I want you to leave a comment right below this video. I will read all of your comments and I will answer to each and every one of your questions. And if you are new to my channel and if you want to learn digital marketing from the very basics, I want you to navigate to Edurself YouTube channel, find the playlist digital marketing. There you will find 100 plus videos of digital marketing videos, and I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.